not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from yesterday's and today's Hindu newspaper, along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of previous day's video. Do download it, mentioned in the description below. Now let's start. Bill allowing 10% reservation for the general category has been passed in Lok Sabha by which constitutional amendment? 123rd, 124th, 125th or 126th? The answer is B, 124th. The Constitutional 124th Amendment Bill 2019 has been passed in Lok Sabha on 8th of January 2019. Now, for exam point of view, the constitutional amendments are very important. Do remember. Now, this 124th Amendment Bill allows 10% quota in employment and education for the general category candidates who belong to economically weaker sections. You need to remember the previously introduced bills in the Parliament, very important. The 123rd Constitutional Amendment Bill was introduced as the National Commission for Backward Classes. The 122nd Amendment Bill was the GST Goods and Service Tax. 121st Amendment Bill was National Judicial Commission for appointment and transfer of judges of High Court and Supreme Court. So concentrate on all these constitutional amendment bills, very important. 124th Amendment Bill not only passed in Lok Sabha but also passed in Rajya Sabha on 9th of January 2019. NASA's latest planet hunting probe had discovered a new planet named as HD2179b, HD2179a, HD2178a or HD2178b. The answer is A, HD2179b is the latest new planet discovered by the NASA's planet hunting probe. You need to remember the whole name, because these kind of questions appeared in previous examinations. So remember the number HD21749b. This planet orbits around a dwarf star which is about 53 light years away in the constellation of Reticulum. This is a third new planet confirmed by the Transiting Exoplanets Survey satellite. Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 seeks to provide citizenship to how many communities? 5 communities, 6 communities, 7 communities or 8 communities? The answer is B, 6 communities. Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019, very important topic. Now this bill has been passed in Lok Sabha. This bill seeks to provide citizenship to non-Muslims, which includes Hindus, Jains, Christians, Sikhs, Buddhists and Parsis. Remember all these 6 communities, very important. And these 6 communities arriving from Bangladesh, Pakistan and Afghanistan. Remember these 3 countries also. Now the bill seeks to grant citizenship to members of the 6 communities who have come to India till December 31st, 2014. Remember the date. Accelerated Irrigation Benefit Programme was initiated in which year? 1996, 2006, 2016 or 2019? The answer is A, 1996. Accelerated Irrigation Benefit Programme was started in the year 1996. Flagships program started by the central government. Now this program was mentioned in today's newspaper, very important. We're preparing for State Public Service Commission, then expect a question from this area from economics topic. Now AIBP, Accelerated Irrigation Benefit Programme, is a central scheme to speed up the implementation of large irrigational projects. The scheme also helps the states to complete the major irrigational projects which were left incomplete earlier. Now, recently a report by the Comptroller and Auditor General says the delayed irrigational projects led to threefold jump in the cost of these major irrigational projects. Some irrigational projects took even 18 years to get complete. And there are many flagship schemes in India introduced by the government, but the problem comes with the implementation. Where is the Center for DNA Fingerprinting and Diagnostics located in India? Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi or Hyderabad? The answer is D, Hyderabad. Previously asked question in SSC CGL. So do remember the Center for DNA Fingerprinting and Diagnostics is located in the city of Hyderabad. Lok Sabha passes DNA Technology Bill. The main aim of this bill is to establish the identity of persons, including suspects, offenders and under trials. Now, this bill is used in the matters of crime, parentage dispute, emigration or immigration, and transplantation of human organs. This bill provides for the establishment of national and regional DNA data banks. Who became the first woman to be appointed as a chief economist at the International Monetary Fund? Gita Gopinath, Mira Nair, Padma Lakshmi or Norah Jones? The answer is A. Gita Gopinath became the first woman to be appointed as a chief economist at the IMF. Mysore-born Gita Gopinath joined IMF as its chief economist. She is the first woman to occupy the top IMF post. Now, from exam point of view, remember the headquarters of the International Monetary Fund, which is in Washington of DC, United States. Which of the following person to chair RBI panel on digital pay? Bimal Jalan, Nandan Nilekani, Vinod Roy or Shaktikanta Das? The answer is B. Nandan Nilekani is the person to chair RBI panel on digital pay. Now, from exam point of view, you need to remember the committees along with their chairmen is very important. Nandan Nilekani co-founded Infosys and he is the non-executive chairman of the Infosys. Now, he is to suggest measures to strengthen the safety and security of the digital payments in the country and also to enhance the financial inclusion through digitization. IPL 2019 will be held in which of the following country? South Africa, United Arab Emirates, India or Sri Lanka? The answer is C, India. IPL 2019 will be held in India. IPL 2019 will stay in the country despite a speculated clash of 2019 general elections. Providing security for IPL is a big challenge when government is preoccupied with the elections. In 2014 general elections, IPL was hosted in United Arab Emirates for 2 weeks. And in 2009 general elections, the entire edition took place in South Africa. Now in 2019 general elections, the whole of IPL will be scheduled in India itself. Shah Faesal, who topped the IAS examination in 2010, resigned from the service. He belongs to which state? Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Tamil Nadu. The answer is C, Jammu and Kashmir. Shah Faesal, the first ever candidate from Jammu and Kashmir to top the prestigious examination in the year 2010. Now, what is the reason for his resignation from the service? The marginalization of the Muslims and continued killings in the state, the lack of sincere reach out from the union government, and the insidious attacks on the special identity of the state Jammu and Kashmir. Khelo India Youth Games 2019 is held at which of the following places? Hyderabad, Kolkata, Delhi or Pune? The answer is D, Pune. Khelo India Youth Games 2019 is being held at Pune between 9th to 20th January in the state of Maharashtra. Union Sports Minister Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore reiterated that 1,000 out of 10,000 athletes who are participating in the youth games featuring under 17 and under 21 would get 5 lakhs for 5 years. Who is the first lady officer to lead the male contingent at the 71st Army Day Parade? Lieutenant Bhavna Kasturi, Lieutenant Divya Ajit, Lieutenant Shika Surabhi or Lieutenant Sheila Kumari? The answer is A. Lieutenant Bhavna Kasturi is the first lady officer to lead the male contingent at the 71st Army Day Parade. For the first time in the history of Indian Army, a lady officer to lead a contingent on the Army Day Parade, which is held every year on January 15th. Remember, Army Day is celebrated every year on Jan 15th? Lieutenant Bhavna Kasturi will lead the Indian Army's Service Corps contingent comprising 144 male personnel on the 71st Army Day Parade. What day is observed on 9th of January 2019? NRI Day, Army Day, World Braille Day or World Hindi Day? The answer is A. NRI Day. Non-Resident Indian Day, also known as the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas, is observed on 9th of January in India to mark the contribution of the overseas Indian community towards the development of India. Now this point is very important from exam point of view. The day commemorates the return of Mahatma Gandhi from South Africa to Mumbai on 9th of January 1915. Let's see the question for the day. Who is the Prime Minister of Norway who arrived in Delhi recently? Erna Solberg, Isabel Martinez, Margaret Thatcher or Salehberg Zievde? Mention your answers in the comment section. You need to know all the important world leaders of each and every country, especially when they visit India. Let's see the answer for previous day's question. Who is the Malaysian king who abdicates for the first time in history? The answer is C. Sultan Muhammad V, as rightly answered by few people in the comment section. Hari Lokesh, Rupa Ganesh, Sushil Kumar and Artija. Thank you all guys for following my videos regularly. The Malaysian king abruptly abdicated his throne after reported marriage to Russian beauty queen. Now this is the first time ever that the Malaysian monarch has abdicated the throne since the country gained its independence from the Great Britain in the year 1957. The quote for the day: the most important thing is to enjoy your life and to be happy. It's all that matters. So always live a happy life and be cheerful no matter what life throws you at back. This is it for today. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.